Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Blake, your favorite marketing expert, and today we're going to be going over a key tool in your local presence, which is the social post. I'm going to have you first log into your dashboard. Once you log into your dashboard, you're going to see here on the left-hand side, there is a tab that says social. You're going to go ahead and click on that social. When you click on that social, there's a few options. I'm going to have you go ahead and close on post feed. Once you click on post feed, it's going to open up to a section where it will show all of the posts that you've made. So if you haven't made a post in this tool yet, it will look exactly like it does on my screen now. But today we're going to create our first post. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to see new post, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. And now it gives you steps. Step one, you're going to select the entity. So the entity is your entity name. So you're going to go down, you're going to select your entity, and you're going to hit apply. From there, you're going to then hit the publishers that you want to apply this to. So you can post it to Facebook, you can post it to Google, if you have LinkedIn connected, Instagram. But for this example, I am just going to post it to my Facebook and Google business profile. Next, you're going to add a title post and then the content of your post. So I always like to use my lovely friend ChatGPT. So we're going to go on here, and in ChatGPT, you can put in any prompt you want. So for this example, I'm going to put in, create me an optimized post for my Google business profile about mobile notaries in San Diego, California. Okay. We're going to hit enter, and we'll let ChatGPT do its magic. All right, awesome. So it gives us a few options, right? And you can obviously go into each option and see which one you like best. So we're just going to take the first one. So mobile notary in San Diego, we come to you. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that information. And then I'm going to go back to my post feed. I'm going to put that in the title section. And then I'm also going to put the content. So let's go back to chat, and we will copy this information. And if you do want to expand the text box, you just grab the corner and drag it down. And if everything looks good on here and you're good to go, then you can move on to the next section, which is where you can add media. Now, this isn't required for all of the directories, but some of the directories do require you to have a photo like Instagram. So we don't have Instagram selected, so I technically don't need to add one, but we're going to add one. So I use Pixabay. Pixabay is where you can find thousands of different free photos if you don't have your own. So I'm going to go ahead and just download this photo here. And we're going to go back to add media. And now I'm going to go to upload photos, downloads, and we're going to open this photo. And we're going to hit continue. Awesome. So now my photo has been uploaded, and you can add an event to this, or you can add a call to action. So I am going to want to add a call to action, especially since this is being posted to my Google business profile. We're going to select what that call to action is. So I want for this people to call me when they need a mobile notary. So I'm going to add call to action. And now the next thing we can do is either post it now, or we can schedule a post. So if we want to schedule a post, there's going to be a little drop down arrow on the right hand side of post now. And then we can hit schedule post. And of course, we can go ahead and schedule any single day we want that to post out. And then we would hit schedule. But for this example, I am going to post this right this second. So I'm going to hit post. And bam, it now shows us what it's going to look like on both. Here's the Facebook, and now what it looks like on the Google business profile. And then any comments that come in, it will filter into this section. Once again, you can go ahead and add as many posts as you want, but this is a great tool to post to multiple directories with one post. Saves you time and helps with you being consistent with your content.